Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me show you this Waterdrop Spotless car wash system with resin. If you want your car to be as water spot free as this here, the Waterdrop car wash system is for you. It comes really well packaged with everything you need to use it. It has also a really exclusive feature, which is this toggle switch on the side that allows you to easily switch between unfiltered, filtered water, or just having the water stopped altogether, which I think is great. We have added connections here to make it easier to use with our different hoses at home. I also love how portable this is. You can literally just pick it up and take it anywhere. Here, previously, you see the water spots just from the rinse of regular unfiltered water. We go through the process with the unfiltered water all the way through the washing system, but then with the final rinse, we use the filtered water. You can actively see here as it dries, there are no water spots to be found. Even throughout the car, against my husband's will, we went ahead and just left it in the sun to dry, and you can see the amazing results that are pretty much water spot free, which is amazing and such a time saver as well. This exact spot from earlier that had all those dirty brown spots is now completely clear. Absolutely love it. That's my point of view.